Hello, guys. Sorry, I was 3 minutes late. I know I had a lesson. Dashinka, hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Have you done your homework?
Mm, uh, как,
Have you done your homework? Yes, no? Yeah?
50% yes, 50 no.
Okay, but you're striving to do that. Yeah, strive. It's like you want to do that. You will try, you will do your best to do
Of
that.
course.
Of course, yeah, I'm sure of that. So about strive, it's like make great effort to do that. So you can say but I'm striving to do that. This I will type it for you. I am striving to do my homework. Okay, guys, so welcome to our lesson. Okay, Alina, hello.
Hello.
Hello, is everything okay? I hear your voice and it's not okay. Are you well?
No.
No. Do you have high
No.
temperature? Have you got a cold? What? What has happened? What?
Really, I don't know.
My darling, do you have a sore throat? No.
Yes.
Yes. What about temperature? Headache?
No.
Just a sore throat. Oh my God. Danny, welcome. Hello. Hello, Danny.
Hey,
Yeah, hello. I can hear you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Boa, what about you? Boa, can you hear me?
Yes, hello, I'm good.
Yes, hello, you're good. So, guys, let's start our lesson. I'm okay, and I'd like we will compare two countries. So, what country is it, guys? What is it?
Ukraine.
Ukraine, yeah, and we have the UK, yes, Great Britain or United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So what is it? Here we've got a table and we've got population. Population means how many people live there. Look at this. Next one, total annual rain. So it means how many rains often or not very often in these countries. So this one, numbers nowadays, I think you can guess. Average temperature in winter, it's about, what is the temperature in the middle? Of course, in Odessa today it is 10 degrees. It's February, but the average temperature is 7 till 9. Next one, look at it. Distance from the sea in kilometers, look at it. And a visitor rating, it means how many people visit it, okay? And of course, you need to look at this table and make up your own sentences orally. Don't write anything. We don't need it right now. Using these phrases, as big as, not as, a lot, far, much, than, less than, and so on. Okay? So let's look at the example. Let's go. Alina, read the example. Come on. The UK's.
The UK is populated bigger
Population,
than the Ukrainian population.
Yeah, my darling, population
is bigger than the Ukrainian's population.
Yeah, so guys, here they are. There are two variants. So look at this. You can see 67 million people, right, in the UK, and 37 million people in Ukraine. So you can say it is bigger, or what else? The second variant, Alina?
Smaller.
No. Alina?
Ukrainian's population.
Ukraine's population.
Ukraine's population isn't as big as the UK.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. Let's try to do that. Vova, what about the verb? Vova? What is it?
Rainy.
Rainy. Yes, look at these numbers.
What
about the weather?
600.
Sorry?
400 and 600.
Yeah, but you need to tell me, is it as big is it as rainy? The weather in Ukraine is as rainy as in the UK, or what is rainier? Can you compare this?
The UK not as rainy as Ukraine.
Really? Look at it. 1,290 and this one 460. So Ukraine, the UK, воно ж набагато дождливіє, так? Намного дождливіє. Is?
Bigger than
Як буде набагато? Не bigger, it's like an example. We've got rainy. Is набагато, намного дождливіє.
Far.
Is far. Okay. Вова?
more rainy than Ukraine.
Yeah, this is it. Then Ukraine. Vova, can you read that again?
It's more rainy than
Yeah, okay. Rainier or more rainy. Yeah, that's also okay. Danny, snowy. Can you tell me which country is snowier?
The Ukrainian is
Why they stop. What is the name of the country?
Ukraine.
Ukraine. So Ukraine. Man.
Ukraine is
Choose one of these phrases. Is
far snowier
yeah.
than UK.
Yeah, then the UK.
The-
Yeah,
the-
the UK. Yeah, that is absolutely right. Thank you, Dasha. The next one. What about this? Look at it.
The UK is hotter than the Ukraine.
Yeah, but Ukraine, no articles, right? Then Ukraine. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Alina, far from the sea. Alina?
The Ukrainian.
Sorry, how do we name the country?
Ukraine?
Ukraine, here, just Ukraine. Yes.
Ukraine
Ukraine. Is far, yeah. What? Набагато дальше. Фа це набагато. Давайте не фа, тому що у нас є вже фа. Far further, ну як звучить масло масляне. Is a lot. Набагато дальше, намного дальше. Is a lot. Як буде дальше? Guys, for everyone. The question is for everyone. Як буде дальше? Guys,
Longer.
far? No. Far is an exception. Like good, well. Far, what?
Further.
Further, right. This is it. Oh, that further. Yeah, this is it. So, Alina, набагато дальше, намного дальше, гораздо дальше. Alina?
Further.
Further, yeah. Від моря.
From the sea.
From the sea.
the UK.
Yeah, okay, but maybe have a look. Maybe not look at it. 113 and 3,013. Okay. 3. Okay, I don't know. Let's leave it from the sea. Maybe it means like над уровнем моря. Or what it means. Okay, let's leave it like this. Then the UK. Okay, and the last one, Vova. Vova, good.
The UK are much more better than Ukraine.
Okay, the UK is much by more. We don't need more. Much better than. Look at it. Ukraine. Can you see that? Repeat.
The UK is much better than Ukraine.
Ukraine. Yeah. UK, Ukraine. Okay. So, guys, thank you. It was rather difficult to remember, but you've done it. That's great. And let's remember this one. Remember, last time we were listening to this one. We need to know who is speaking, when are they speaking, and where are they speaking. We did numbers 1 and 2. Let's listen to number 2. We did number 1. Yeah, let's listen to number 2 and 3. Okay.
Tornado on the horizon.
Clouds. Shall we go out and take a closer look?
Yes, wait.
I feel safer here because we can take cover in the cellar.
Don't forget your coat. It might
wait.
rain this afternoon.
Okay, I've got it.
Okay, listen to dialect number 2. Tell me who is speaking, when are they speaking, time of the day, and where are they? Okay, let's go.
2.
Can you listen? Can you hear it well?
Yes.
Yes.
I can just see the tornado on the horizon, but it's very dark out there.
It's the storm clouds. Shall we go out and take a closer look?
I feel safer here because we can take cover in the cellar. And what about your lunch?
I'll finish it later. I'm going out to take a look. Bye, darling.
Okay, tell me who is speaking. Vova, who is speaking? Vova? Sorry?
I don't know.
What? I'm so sorry. One more time. Who is speaking? Vova, I can't hear you. Danny, who is speaking? Vova, bad connection. Danny, who is speaking?
Two person.
2 persons, right? 2 people. But who are they to each other? When they say darling, who are they to each other? Dasha, who are they to each other?
Maybe parents.
But to each other, who are they? They are husband
And woman.
yeah, guys. When we speak about a pair, so a man and a woman, we say, yeah, there was darling. We say a husband.
And wife.
Yeah, and a wife. Чоловік та дружина, right? They're a husband and a wife, or we can say an old couple. Yeah, I think they are not young. They are old. Old couple, stara para, couple, a man and a woman who love each other. Okay, tell me please, Alina, when are they speaking? What time of the day is it?
Maybe afternoon.
Why do you think so? Yeah, you're right. Why do you think so? What have you heard? Which word have you heard?
I don't know.
Danya, Alina is right. Which word have you heard? What helped you to understand, to realize that it is afternoon? You're right. What was it? Vova, maybe you remember? What was it?
No.
Now, Dasha, do you remember what was it? Yeah, Salina is right. It's afternoon. But how did she
Maybe
recognize it? Mhm.
maybe you tell they tell about
Mhm.
lunch.
Yes, exactly. You're right. Lunch. Yeah, that was that word. And lunch, it's about afternoon. You're right. Thank you, Dasha. Next one. Danny, where are they?
At home. They
Yes, you're absolutely right. Guys, listen to number 3. Come on, the same questions. Who is speaking? When are they speaking? And where are they? Let's go.
3. The sun's so hot. Shall we get an ice cream?
Oh, not yet. I'm still full from breakfast.
Well, I'm going to. Where's the money Mum gave you?
Oh, no. I left it on the kitchen table.
Oh, well done. Shall we go for a swim?
Okay. Can we leave our bags here?
Yes, they'll be okay. We can see them from the water.
Okay, tell me please, Dasha, who is speaking?
Maybe brother and sister.
Yeah, I agree. Alina, when are they speaking?
The morning.
Yes, you're right. What helped you? What was it?
Breakfast.
You're
Or
right.
it's
Thank you.
breakfast.
Yeah, that's okay. Vova, where are they? Vova? I can't.
I didn't hear.
Okay,
didn't
Danny, where
hear.
are they? Okay.
in kitchen.
Maybe they're not in the kitchen, yeah, because they needed money.
At home.
Maybe it is, I don't know, a hotel or something like that, because they have, oh, I left money in the kitchen, and can we leave our bags here? They're not at home, we're in a hotel, maybe. Somebody else. Okay, guys, now look at this. Here they are, we've got natural disasters. So, but look at it. There are a lot of transcription here because it's rather difficult to do that. Let's read one by one and then we'll try to guess to know what it is. Okay, let's go. Danny, start. Read the example.
An avalanche.
An avalanche. An avalanche. Right, thank you. Next one, Dasha.
A drought.
Look at the transcription. Au.
A drought.
Yes, that's right. Alina.
And I don't know.
Давай. Earth. Dale. Earth.
Or earthquake.
Earthquake. Earthquake. Repeat.
Earthquake.
Yeah, one more time. An earthquake.
An earthquake.
Thank you. Vova. Vova, I can't hear you. Come on.
An epidemic.
Yeah, a pandemic. You're right. Danny.
Famine.
The stress. A famine. Repeat.
A famine.
Okay. Next one, Dasha.
A flood.
Look at it. This is like
A flood.
Yeah. Okay. Next one, Alina.
A forest fire.
Fire. A forest.
A forest fire.
Yeah, you're right. Vova.
A mudslide.
Yeah. Look at it. A mud.
Mudslide. A
Exactly.
mudslide.
Thank you, Danny.
Tornado.
Tornado. Yes, you're right. Tornado. Right. Thank you. Dasha.
A tsunami.
And the last one, Alina.
A volcano eruption.
Yeah, volcanic, right?
Volcanic.
A volcanic eruption. Okay, guys, now let's listen and repeat after me from the beginning. Mind your pronunciations, guys, because the words are rather difficult. Let's do it. An avalanche.
An
An
avalanche.
A drought.
A
A
drought.
drought.
An earthquake.
An earthquake.
Epidemic.
An epidemic.
Yeah. A famine.
A
A
famine.
Flood.
A flood.
A forest fire.
A forest fire.
Forest fire.
A mudslide.
A mudslide.
A tornado.
A tornado.
A tsunami.
A tsunami.
A volcanic eruption.
A
A
volcanic.
volcanic eruption.
Guys, let's read it again, but from the end. Dasha, start.
An avalanche.
No, from the end.
Aha. Okay. A volcanic eruption.
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 Guys, together. A volcanic eruption.
A
Repeat.
volcanic
A
eruption.
volcanic eruption.
Okay, next one. Alina.
A tsunami.
Right. Vova. Vova.
A tornado.
A tornado. Repeat.
A tornado.
Vova. Danny.
A mudslide.
Okay. Dasha.
A forest fire.
Alina.
A flood.
Okay. Vova.
A famine.
A famine. A famine.
A famine.
All together, guys. A famine.
A
Repeat.
famine.
Famine.
Vova, repeat. Vova, say it again. A famine.
A famine.
Next one. Danny.
An epidemic.
Okay. Dasha.
An quake.
Quake. Yeah. An earthquake. Right. All together, guys. A difficult word. An earthquake. Come on.
An earthquake.
An earthquake.
Dasha з нами.
An
Vova.
earthquake.
Yeah, that's right. Alina.
A drought.
Okay. And the last one. Vova.
An avalanche.
An avalanche. Repeat. An avalanche.
An avalanche.
Guys, so look at the pictures. What I would like you to do, I will give you 5 minutes, not maybe 4 minutes, that will be enough for you. You work together in pairs and you decide what is what, okay? Давайте одразу домовимося. Будь ласка, не дивіться у словник, це буде, не треба нам дивитися у словник. Спробуйте здогадатися, щось ви з цього знаєте, щось, спробуйте самі здогадатися, подивимося, як ви відчуваєте мову, окей? So, this is it for you. You will have 4 minutes, 4 хвилинки на це. This is it. I am taking a photo. Dasha and Danny, you will work together. Okay, here it is. Alina and Vova, you will work together here. Okay. Did you get my text, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Try to guess what is what. Okay. Let's do it. I know, Vova, that's why we will work here together with me. Alina, not Alina, Danny and Dasha, you go and work. You have 5 minutes work. Okay. Alina and Vova, you will work here. So press the button, you have 5 minutes. Okay. Alina, Vova, can you hear me? Guys?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, work together, працюйте разом. Як ви вважаєте, what is number 1, 2, okay? 4 minutes, 4 хвилинки, працюємо. So, Alina, start. I think number 1 it is... Говоримо спочатку те, що ви, здогадаєтесь на 90%, що ви вважаєте. Може, ви щось знаєте з цього? Аліна?
Really, I don't know.
Anything? No, nothing. Зовсім нічого.
Maybe number 8, a forest fire.
No, not like this. Vova, what do you think?
I think number 9 is flat.
Flat. Yeah, this is it. That is flat. Okay. What else? Alina, try to guess. What's
10
number
is
8? Alina, what is 8? Alina?
I don't know.
Look, my darling, you can guess. Догадайся, давай, там все зрозуміло. Oh, what is number 4? Четверте на щось схоже. Давай, попробуй сам.
Maybe number 4, an
Mhm.
epidemic.
Of course, yes, you're right. Зробіть спочатку те, що ви знаєте, так, а потім будемо здогадуватися. Вова, you're right. What is it? What else?
I think number 6 is a volcanic eruption.
Yes, you're right. Okay. Alina, what is number 10?
Number 10, maybe tornado.
Yes, that's okay. Vova, what else?
I think number 5 is an earthquake.
Earthquake, yes. Say that with me. Earthquake. Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Yes, you're right. Okay. Alina, what is number 1? Look at it.
Number 1, maybe tsunami.
No. What else? Що ще може бути? Вова, what do you think? What is number 1?
I don't know.
Any ideas? Come on, guys. So not tsunami, yeah? What else? What can it be? Not
11. It's
yes, an
it's
avalanche.
tsunami.
No. Oh, number 11 here. 11, it's a tsunami. Yes, you're right. So guys, look at it. About picture 1, we've got variants. Drought, right? Avalanche, forest fire, mudslide. So we know it's not, what's not tsunami? What is it? What can it be? Number 1.
Avalanche.
Avalanche. Yes, you're right. That is avalanche. Okay, number 2. Alina, what do you think? What is number 2? Look at it. We've got drought, forest fire, mudslide, and famine.
Maybe a drought.
Yes, this is a drought, right? Засуха, that is drought. Vova, number 3. What is it? Look at it.
It's
Look at
a
it. We've got
drought.
no, drought, it's number 2. We have just decided. Number 3, it can be famine or forest fire or mudslide.
Mudslide.
Yes, you're right. Alina, number 7, it can be famine or forest fire. Alina,
Maybe forest fire.
This is a forest. So this is a forest. Так, це ж ліс, тому це буде forest fire. And this one, famine, right? Голод. Yes, and you've done everything, guys. That's okay. So look at it, you know it. Okay, let's wait for 10 seconds, Dasha and Danny. And let's remember everything, okay? Come on, we are waiting. Okay. Guys, come back. Thank you. You're here. That's wonderful. Okay, let's try to guess what it is. Vova and Alina, they've done it. Now your turn. Dasha, what number would you like to start with?
8.
Okay, what is it?
Forest fire.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Yeah, and this is a forest and this is a fire. Yeah, that's right. Alina, number?
Number 2,
Okay, what is it?
a drought.
Yes, exactly. Guys,
Ага.
drought, що це таке? No water, no rain.
Засуха.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, that is it. Thank you. Vova, number? Vova, number? I can't hear you. Sound. Where is Vova? Vova? What number?
2 is
What is it? Vova, what is it? Okay, Danny, help us. What is it? Number 4?
An epidemic.
Yeah, that is an epidemic. Okay. Vova, not Vova, Vova, tell us when you can speak. Danny, number?
6. A volcanic eruption.
Eruption. Yeah,
Eruption.
a volcanic eruption. Yes. Dasha, number?
Я не уверена, хочу попробовать. Number 7. An avalanche.
No, not an
Mm.
avalanche. What else? What can it be?
Famine.
Famine. Yes, that is a
Famine.
famine. Look at them. They are hungry. What does it mean? A famine or famine? What is it?
Ну, бедные люди или
But they don't have to eat anything. They are hungry.
Нет, голодные?
Голод, right,
Ага,
guys?
голод.
Famine, it means like голод. That is famine, голод. Alina?
Maybe number 10,
10, okay.
a tornado.
A tornado, yes, you're right. Here it is. Next one, Vova. Вова, давай, спробуємо, щоб був інтернет. Вова? Не чую. Даня?
11. A tsunami.
can you repeat
Yes. Tell me number. You've got 3, 5, or 9.
what's the number?
Any number you like. 1, 3, or 5, or 9. What? Vova? Vova, what is number 3? Can you hear? Number 3? No, okay. Dasha, what is number 3, maybe? Or 1, or 5, or 9. What do you like?
Maybe number 1 is flat.
No, not flat. No. Number 1 is a beautiful word. What is it? And maybe the most difficult to pronounce. What is it? Not earthquake. What is
No,
No. This one. An
avalanche.
Yeah, an avalanche. Guys, what is an avalanche?
Ну, я это думала, и мне ассоциировалось Эверест, как что-то
Yeah.
подобное.
Oh, that's great. Guys, що це таке? An avalanche. Когда снег с гор падает.
Лавина.
Lavina, right. This is an avalanche. Lavina, you're right. Okay, Alina, 3, 5, or 9?
Maybe 5. An
Earthquake. Yeah. Earthquake. What is it? What is an earthquake? Землетрус.
Трус.
Землетрус. Earthquake – це означає землетрус, землетрясіння. Окей, Вова, 3 or 9? Вова, number 3 or 9?
9 flat.
Flood. Guys, what is it flood? Що це таке? Flood.
Наводнение.
Наводнение, потоп. Yes. And the last one, Danny.
Mudslide.
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 Mudslide. Okay, guys, let's have a look here. What you need to do. Can you please tell me, in your opinion, what is the worst natural disaster? Природная катастрофа. So, what is the worst natural disaster in your opinion? And why, of course. So, what is the worst natural disaster and why? Vola, what is the worst natural disaster and why?
I think the worst natural disaster is tornado.
Why? Why do you think so?
Because after tornado, ну, как сказать, ничего не остается.
There is nothing after. There is nothing
There
after.
is nothing after tornado.
Okay, thank you. Tell me, please, Danny, what do you think? Which is the worst natural disaster?
I think a famine or an epidemic.
An epidemic or what?
A famine.
A famine. Okay. So, can you explain why? Why?
Because many thousands of people die after this disaster.
Okay, yeah, maybe. Thank you. Right, Dasha. Oh, what is the worst natural disaster?
Maybe a forest fire.
Why?
Because it's bigger fire and як сказати, може бути? Will be a fire in people's house.
Yeah, it can be dangerous, right? For people. It can be dangerous for people's
It
house.
can be dangerous for people's house, yes.
Yes, okay, thank you. Alina, what do you think? Which is the worst natural disaster?
Maybe it's everything first.
Everything? Yes, okay, why?
Oh, I don't know.
Because, yeah, I think, yeah, Alina, you're right as well. And everybody, I agree with you, yes. Everything is bad, right? And when we have natural disaster, it's terrible. You can do nothing with it. And we have a war in Ukraine right now. Of course, it's not a natural disaster. It's because of one person. But this is it, what we have. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's look at it. Will you please ask each other the number? Let's go. Alina, ask Dasha to tell her the number. What number would you like to know? Please tell me number. Come on. Dasha. Oh, Dasha. Alina, ask Dasha. Alina, please tell me number. Alina? No, Dasha, ask Danny. Come on.
Danny, please. Что?
Tell me number. Скажи мне
Tell
номер.
me number. 5.
Danny, what is it?
It's an earthquake.
Earthquake. Tell me.
Earthquake.
Thank you. Danny, your question, your sentence. Ask, please, somebody. Vova. Ask Vova.
Vova, tell me, please, number.
No, please tell
Please
me
tell
numbers.
number 10.
Vova?
Number 10 is
What is it?
Tornado.
Yes, you're right. Vova, ask
But
Alina. Come on.
Alina, please tell me the number 8.
Number 8, first fire.
Alina, ask Dasha.
Dasha, Please tell me number 4.
Mm-hmm.
What number?
4.
Mhm. Is
It's
an epidemic.
yeah, not epi, but epidemic.
Epidemic.
Thank you. Dasha, you ask Danny. Come on.
Then it tell me please number.
No. Please tell me number.
Please tell me number 7.
Mm-hmm.
It's famine.
Mm-hmm. You're right. Danny, ask Vova.
Please tell me Vova, please tell me number 2.
Mm-hmm. What?
Number 2 is drought.
Yeah. Vova, ask Alina, please.
Alina, please tell me number 1.
Mm-hmm. Alina?
Number 1. And
Avalanche. Yeah, you're right. Alina, ask Dasha.
number 3.
Mm-hmm. Dasha?
Number 3 is a flute.
No, it's not a flute. It's
Mudslide.
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 Exactly right. Dasha, you ask Danny. Come on, 9 or 11 or 6.
Danny, please tell me number 6.
Mm-hmm. Danny?
It's a volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption. Okay, Danny, ask Vova. Come on. Давай.
Vova, please tell me number 9.
Mm-hmm.
Number 9 is flood.
Mm-hmm. And the last one, Alina, what is it? Yeah, tsunami. Okay. Guys, look at these natural disasters. Let me clean everything. Just a little bit like this. Okay, yeah. Here it is. So, guys, look at these natural disasters and tell me what they are. Okay? Vova, A. What is A?
Desert.
Yeah, it's a desert, but what natural disaster? No, what happened?
Vasukaka.
Yeah, look at it. Look at the words.
Drought.
Yes, that's right. That is a drought. Okay. Danny, B, picture B. What is it?
It's tornado.
I think it's maybe not tornado. Okay, variant. A tornado or what else?
Or an earthquake.
Давай. Yes, an earthquake. Yes, you're right. Earthquake. Wake. This is no, I did something wrong. Earthquake. Oh my God, a lot of letters E. Okay, thank you. Tell me, please, Dasha, what is C? A, B, C.
It's it's for it's volcano
A volcanic
eruption.
Yeah, this is it. Thank you. C, D. Alina, what is D?
Maybe
It's a It's a tsunami. Yeah, you're right. And the last one, Vova, what is it?
Forest fire.
Yes, you are right. So, guys, right now you need to listen to one recording, одну запис, та здогадатися, про що вони саме говорять. Окей? So look at it. They will not tell you, вони не будуть вам казати, it's a drought. No, they will tell you like, there is no water, the plants aren't growing. So they will explain you the situation and you will understand what it means. Okay, let's try to do that. You need to hear what natural disaster it is. Okay, I think, yeah. So guys, listen to it attentively and tell me what natural disaster it is. Let's go.
Lesson 4C.
Can you hear?
Yes.
Exercises 3 and 4. 1.
Can you tell me what happened?
It was terrifying. It was in the middle of the night, so we were in bed. Everything started to shake. A few moments later, the back of the house collapsed. We all rushed outside and stood in the street. Luckily, we all survived and no one was injured.
And this place is now your home?
Yes, we came here yesterday. The church has been very helpful. We have food and water and a roof over our heads, so it's better than nothing. But we've lost everything.
Guys, what is it? What picture is it? And what is it? Have you heard it? Dasha, Danya,
Maybe
Alina?
D.
D. Okay, Danny, what do you think?
I think B.
B, right. So what was it? A tornado or an earthquake?
And an earthquake.
An earthquake, yeah. That was, everything was shifting, тряслось. Yeah, that's okay here. So the first one, it's B. Guys, let's listen to the next one. Go on. Dasha, what?
Но он там говорил, что у них дома была какая-то вода. Он что-то такое говорил.
Really? Okay, let's listen to it again. Давайте ще раз послухаємо, почуємо.
Can you tell me what happened?
It was terrifying. It was in the middle of the night, so we were in bed. Everything started to shake. A few moments later, the back of the house collapsed. We all rushed outside and stood in the street. Luckily, we all survived and no one was injured.
And this place is now your home?
Yes, we came here yesterday. The church has been very helpful. We have food and water and a roof over our heads, so it's better than nothing. But we've lost everything.
So, Dasha, what was there about the water? Yeah, there was the word water, but what? Did you hear?
Я почула, але не зрозуміла.
They told that they got nothing, yeah, and thank God the church gives them water and food, but they have nothing. That's right, it was water, but it was not about tsunami. Okay, guys, let's listen to number 2. Let's go.
2. There's been virtually no rain in the region for the past 2 years. Normally, it's very rainy at this time of year, but the last rain was 2 months ago. My organisation back home raises a lot of money and sends it out to us. My job is to spend it on food and drinking water, but we urgently need more. The government here provides some food and water, but it isn't enough. Politicians make a lot of promises, but they often break them. Hopefully, the rain will come before long.
Guys, what is it? Danny, Dasha, Lina, Bova. Yes, this is it. No. A. That's right. No rain at all. Right. Yes. Okay. Listen to number 3, guys. Come on.
3.
Did you see that fire on the news last night?
No. Where was it?
In California.
Was anyone killed?
I don't think so, but it destroyed a lot of houses. The pictures were shocking. The fire moved so fast.
How did it start? Was it lightning from that storm yesterday?
No, there weren't any storms in California. Somebody lit a fire in the forest.
So it wasn't an accident?
Well, It was, actually. They were going to have a barbecue.
That was a bit stupid in the middle of a heat wave. Did they find the people who started it?
Yes, they were the ones who phoned the emergency services.
Guys, what is it?
И.
Yeah, okay. Danny, what do you think?
It's E.
Yeah, okay. Alina, Vova, I know you got better internet, but tell me something if you can hear. And number 4, let's go.
4. Scientists said last year that it was going to erupt. Well, it finally erupted a couple of days ago, and lava poured down the mountain. It destroyed a village, and sadly, a number of people lost their lives. And the eruption continues. You can still see lava coming out of the ground high up on the mountain, and clouds of smoke are still pouring from the top. But it isn't as bad as it was yesterday.
What is
5.
it?
Sí.
During the fishing trip,
Yeah, what is it? 4?
Sí.
Yes, exactly. Dasha, what have you heard? What helped you?
Lava.
Yes. Okay, last.
the weather was fine, mostly sunny and warm. The sea was quite calm, and we were about to return to the port when we saw a wave on the horizon. We were quite close to the shore, maybe only a kilometre away, but instead of returning home, we decided to sail out to sea towards the wave. This sounds mad, but waves like this are actually quite low when they are far out to sea, and only become big as they reach shallow water near the coast. It was a wise decision, as the boat rode easily over the wave. The wave caused a lot of damage when it reached the shore, but luckily no one was killed.
Yeah, that's it. What was it?
G.
Yes, this is it. Okay, guys. Yeah, you've done it. Now, what you need to do, guys, here they are. You've got some questions. Look at this one. You've got questions from 1 till 5. You will listen to it again and choose the correct option. So, guys, right now, I give you a minute to look at it. Maybe you have some questions to me about this one. Ask me any questions to do, okay? So look at it and then ask me any questions. Let's go. If you don't know something, how to translate or something like that. Okay, so look at number 1. If you know everything, that's wonderful. Listen to number 1, everything, be attentive, and then match the correct answer. What will it be? A, B, or C? Okay, look at it. Okay, let's do it. Dasha, what?
А что такое интервью? Why?
Intentionally or where? Interview.
Yes.
Interview. Dasha, what is interview?
Интервью.
Yes. Okay, let's go.
Lesson 4C. Exercises 3 and 4. 1.
Can you tell me what happened?
It was terrifying. It was in the middle of the night, so we were in bed. Everything started to shake. A few moments later, the back of the house collapsed. We all rushed outside and stood in the street. Luckily, we all survived and no one was injured.
And this place is now your home?
Yes, we came here yesterday. The church has been very helpful. We have food and water and a roof over our heads, so it's better than nothing. But we've lost everything.
Mm-hmm.
2.
Guys, what is the correct answer? A, B, or C?
Maybe A.
You think A? Okay. Danny, what do you think?
I think also A.
A, okay. Alina, have you heard it? Alina? Vova? What? Vova?
I'm read A.
A, okay. Alina, what do you think? Alina? Guys, really, I don't agree with you. No, they're not in the man's house right now. I think no. Let's listen to it again. They're in the street outside the man's house or in a church hall. Let's listen.
It was terrifying. It
Exercise
was the night, so we were in bed.
Exercises 3 and 4. 1.
Can you tell me what happened?
It was terrifying. It was in the middle of the night, so we were in bed. Everything started to shake. A few moments later, the back of the house collapsed. We all rushed outside and stood in the street. Luckily, we all survived and no one was injured.
And this place is now your home?
Yes, we came here yesterday. The church has been very helpful. We have food and water and a roof over our heads, so it's better than nothing. But we've lost everything.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
B.
C.
So, Danya, what do you think?
I think B.
B. Dasha?
C.
C. Okay, let me write. Danny, B. Dasha, C. Vova, what do you think?
A.
Not A. No, I told A. It's a mistake.
It's,
What will it be?
it's B.
You think B? Okay, Alina? B. So,
B.
this B. Okay, so this place is your home now, right? So, this is it. It's answer C. Have a look. Вони сказали, от зараз тепер це ваше місце. You say, yes, it's better than nothing. Краще, ніж нічого. Yes, we have everything. Not in the street, but in the church hall. Okay, guys, this one, maybe we will discuss it together, okay, next time. For today, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, you will have your words, these words as your homework, as usual. So, have a good day. Goodbye, guys. See you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.